Hi, Mark T the Handyman here. Today we're going to install a retractable screen door for our garage door entrance. So I've unpacked the pieces to the screen door and I just kind of laid it out. Now we're going to put it together. First off, when we start to assemble the door, we've got the screen side right here. You have to be conscious of the fact that you have to line this up on this particular door, okay? And then this will just slide into that slot. After you get that in, let's see. And there we go. So that one's in. And then we're going to do the other side, same thing. Okay, same thing on this side. We got to get that in that slot right there. And move this up a little bit. And that should slide right in. There we go. So we got this part done. Now we're going to go to the other side. So now we got those two lined up. And now we just have to line up this side here. And we can get the other side. There we go. Got it. Same thing here. Just got to line them up and put them in. Now, this is specific to this style door. Other doors may be different, but this door, this is how you get it all together. There we go, we got that one. All right, now it's time to put the door in place. Now these doors, they can be set up in different ways. They can go right to left or left to right. In this particular case, the screen is going to be on the right side looking into the inside of the house. And you just push that in there. And then you've got your adjustment that you make to the size of your door. And then we screw it in. Before you start to attach the new screen door to the wood, my advice would be to make a guide hole, okay? Either with a drill bit or a scratch awl. That's all I'm gonna do. I'm gonna use a scratch awl. First you wanna push the door nice and tight where you want it, and then just a little bit of a hole to guide this new screw, okay? On all four holes. But you gotta make sure you have it nice and tight before you do that. Like I say, either a scratch awl or a drill motor. Okay, so we got the pilot hole in. We're gonna push the screen door right up against our wood. Okay, so we're nice and tight so no bugs and anything can come in. And then we're gonna put the screw in the pilot hole and we're gonna screw it in. Whoops. And we screw it in. We got that. And now we'll do the other three. Well, we got our new retractable screen door attached. It's nice and solid. Works real smooth. Lock it in, and you're all set. And it goes back by itself. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up or a like. If you want to see more videos, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.